Hi, my name is Isabel Roberts, and I'm a volunteer here at the Ontario Regiment Museum. I'm standing next to the Queen's Jeep. It has just come back from the paint shop, and we're super happy with this very pristine work done by Don Butt's Auto Shop. As you can see, they did a great job. It's the perfect color. We talked a lot about the gloss and how much gloss we should have. And I find that this amount of gloss is perfect for this vehicle. It's a ceremonial Jeep. It once had the Queen, and we now use it for veterans during parades. The Jeep is still apart. As you can see, there's no headlights and all sorts of removable items. We took those off in order to send it out to the paint shop, and we're now reassembling the Jeep. We've painted all the separate parts as well, so that when it comes back together, it's going to look absolutely amazing. If some of you had seen the Jeep before this state, you would know that there are seats that go on either side, and the floor was red carpet. Now the carpet was very old. We've removed everything. We're going to change the carpet, put new carpet in, and mount the seats back. And the seats are red, just like the front seat, so it really gives that sense of royalty. There's also some chrome that goes over top of the back, sort of a handle for hanging onto when you're sitting or standing here at the front, which is what the Queen did. She was standing right here and doing her famous wave. Also, what we did while the Jeep was at Don Butt's Auto Shop is we changed the tires. So we now have some fairly brand new tires, and we also got the rims painted on the Jeep. And those are some finishing touches that are going to really add to the overall pristine when we're all finished. We have several more weeks of work to do on the Jeep, so if you'd like to follow our progress along the way, please go to our website, tankmuseum.ca, and follow us on Facebook or Instagram.